Hello everyone, we are Group 6. Today, our topic is wired and wireless network. Before we begin, let's quickly go over what a network is. A network is a group of connected devices that allows communication and sharing of resources. It can be a local network, like a home or office local area network, or a wide area network, like the internet.
So let's look at the differences between wired and wireless networks. Wired networks use cables to connect devices. They're generally more reliable and stable. On the other hand, wireless networks don't need cables. They use radio wave to connect devices to a router or access point.
One key difference is flexibility. Wireless networks are easier to expand and don't require physical cables, but the devices must be within range of the wireless access point. Wired networks, however, can work anywhere as long as you have a cable connected.
Okay, let's now discuss the benefits and drawbacks of each type. Alright, for a wired network, the pros are high performance and stable connections, which is perfect for things like gaming or streaming. And they don't use up wireless bandwidth, which means fewer slowdowns.
But there are also some drawbacks. Installation can be complicated and costly. Limited flexibility. WAPs must be placed where Ethernet is available.
For wireless networks, the benefits include easier to expand coverage in large or hard to reach areas, supports many devices at once, great for offices or public areas. But there are some cons too. Wireless signals can be intercepted more easily, making them less secure. It may also be harder to set up properly without the right configuration.
Alright, now let's briefly look at the type of transmission media used in the network. And first, we have copper cables, which are cheap and common, with speeds up to 1 Gbps, 1 gigabytes per second, over short distances, but they're affected by the interference.
Then we have fiber optics cables, much faster and used for long distance like connecting cities or countries. It's more expensive but not affected by interference.
Radio waves are wireless and easy to use, but have limited range and are less secure.
And we have microwaves, which offer fast, long distance links, but need a clear line of sight and are affected by the weather.
Satellites give global access, useful in remote areas, but have high latency and weather issues.
Each medium suits different needs depending on speed, cost, range, and reliability.
And to recap, today we learned the differences between wired and wireless networks, the pros and cons of each, and the types of transmission media used in networking.
Each has its strengths. Wired is faster and more secure, while wireless is more flexible and easier to expand.
Thanks for listening. We hope you now have a better understanding of how wired and wireless networks work.